Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies small batch, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, cream 4 tablespoons butter with 1/4 cup sugar for 2 minutes. Add 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then whisk in 1 cup flour and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder until combined. Chill dough 30 minutes, roll to 3.5 inches across, and bake 8–10 minutes until edges set. Warm, friendly voice. We list simple ingredients so you can shop easily and bake without stress. Use unsalted butter, granulated sugar, 1 egg yolk, pure vanilla, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and a pinch of baking powder and salt. Accurate measuring ensures consistent cookies every time, and chilling the dough helps control spread. These choices give tender centers and slightly crisp edges for classic sugar cookies you can decorate. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot Smart Speaker C-Link in the description, a handy companion if you love music while baking. I place mine on the counter for timer alerts and playlists, and it makes the kitchen more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Let's walk through technique clearly and slowly so you feel confident at each step. Cream butter and sugar until pale, then mix in the egg yolk and vanilla before adding dry ingredients. Chill the dough 30 minutes to firm up the butter and prevent excessive spread. Roll gently to about 3.5 inches for uniform cookies, cut shapes cleanly, and bake on a parchment-lined sheet for even browning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.